Now this method works on 25H2, but doesn't work on the insider build. So you may have to look at my other method to get this to work on later versions of Windows. But this is quite an easy method. When you see the screen, click on the window so that it gets focus. Press Shift F10. You may have to use FN Shift F10 depending on your laptop. So some laptops will require you to use FN. And what I'm going to do now is disable the network card. The version of Windows that I'm running is Windows 11 25H2 and this release. And the first thing I'm going to type is ncpa.cpl. And that allows me to look at my network adapters. And what you need to do here is disable your network adapter first. So for this method to work, you need to disable your network adapter. So here we are going to run a script basically by typing OOBE bypassnro. Now just to show you what that does, you don't have to do the following. You're just going to press enter at that point. But I'm going to show you what that does. This is a little script that I'm going to open in Notepad. So basically what it does is it runs a little script that writes an entry to the registry of the computer, and then it reboots the computer. So that's basically what we're doing here. We're going to run the script that basically writes an entry to the registry and then starts the computer again. So I'm going to press enter now, and there you go. The computer reboots. Now on this version of Windows, it doesn't work. So if I press Shift F10 and try and run that command, so OOBE /bypassnro, it tells me that that command doesn't exist. So it doesn't work in this later version of Windows, 26220, but my next method will work where you add this to the registry manually. So I'll show you that in the next method. Okay, so we're back here now. I'm going to select my country as United States, select my keyboard as US. I'm not going to add a second keyboard, but notice this option here now. When it wants me to connect to the internet, I can say I don't have internet. And now I can specify my name. So let's say David, click next. I'm not going to set a password. I'm not going to allow tracking. So turn off all these options and I'm going to click accept. Okay, so there you go. Again, my username is David. It's a local account. Right click here. Go look at system. You can see it's a local account. I'll run WinVer and you can see this is version 25H2 and build 26200. Now don't forget to enable your network adapters. So I'm going to open up Control Panel, go to Network and Internet, Network and Sharing, change adapter settings, and I'm going to enable my network adapter so that I have internet access. This method doesn't work on later versions, but it does currently work on 25H2. So far, that's 3 methods. Let's look at another method.